you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Navada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School New Area now. Today I discuss the remaining part of the exercise 16b related to the area of the segment and the sector of the circles. So only few questions, there are 4 and 5 today you see here. So we start from question number 40. Here you see. In this question, figure is adjoining. Question given that in the given figure, APB, that is APB here, APB and AQO are semicircles. There are two semicircles. One is this big semicircle, another is here AQO semicircle, and AO is equal to OB. Suppose AO is X, then OB is also AO is X, then OB is also X. If the perimeter of this figure is 40 cm, perimeter of this figure is 40 cm, then find the area of the shaded region. Then you have to find what is the area of the shaded region. Perimeter is given as solution. You write that is perimeter of this figure is 40 cm. What is the perimeter of this figure? Here is pi, here is x, then this part is the pi r, then what is the r? If we suppose here is x, AO is x and OB is x, then what is the r? That is x by 2. So your perimeter is pi r, that is pi into x by 2. This is the part of this perimeter. Next here, what is this part? This is only plus x. After this, what is this? If this is the also a semicircle, and then its diameter is 2x. So what is radius? That is x. So radius be x, then its perimeter is pi x. Here is x, then its perimeter is pi x, and is equal to 40 cm. Now 22x by 14, because it is 22 by 7, plus x plus 22 by 7, here is 7, then multiply to, that is 14, and it is equal to 40 cm. Then here is 14, we write here 22x plus 14x, and here is 7 2, that is 44x is equal to 40 cm. So what is it? Is 66 70, that is 80 x by 40 is equal to 40 cm. Then what is x? Then x is equal to 40 into 14 by 80. 42 to 7. That means the value of x is 7. Now your question, if value of x is 7, then what is the area of the shaded region? So what is the area? Then there are two semicircles. One is AQBO, another is APB. So what is the area of triangle AQO? Right here, that is area of this part. Now x is 7. Right here, that x is equal to 7 cm. So area of this part, area of AQO is equal to pi r square by half pi r square. Then it is equal to 1 by 2, 22 by 7. And what is r? If x is 7, then r is 7 by 2. So it is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So 2 11 and 7 cancel. That is 77 by 4 cm square. It is the area of AQO, this semicircle. And next semicircle is here. This is the APB. So area of semicircle APB is equal to half pi r square, that is half 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, because now the radius will be 7. So 2 11 ja, and it is 7 cancel, that is 77 centimeter square. So what is total area? Total area is equal to 77 by 4 plus 77 centimeter square. It is the area of the shaded region. So dear student, first we find perimeter, and the perimeter of this region is only this part and here, and this is not the part of the perimeter. So first we write pi r and r. Then after that we find the value of x. After the value x we find 7. Then 7 is the radius of the big same circle. Then 7 by 2 is the radius of this small circle. After that we find the area of a small circle and that of big circle and add it. Then it is the total area of shaded region. Now see question number 42. In the given figure, find the area of the shaded region where ABCD square of side 14 cm. ABCD square of side 14 cm, where AB of the side 14 cm and all circuits are of the same diameter, and the radius of the all circle are equal. Here is 14 cm. If it is the diameter, then the distance from here is OA is R. Then here are R, and R. There is 4R. So you write that AB is equal to R plus R plus R plus R is equal to 14 cm. Here R plus R plus R is 14 cm. Then 4R is equal to 14 cm. So R is equal to 14 by 4, that is 7 by 2. So here is 7 by 2 cm. This is the radius of one circle. You know, question of what is the area of shaded region? So what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle you find out with the help of pi r square. Then here is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. Then 2 11 ja and 7, that is 77 by 4 cm square. It is the area of the circle. Now area of the 4 circle. Area of the 4 circles, because there are 4 circles in the figure. So area of 4 circle is 77 by 4 into 4. Cancel it, that is 77 centimeter square. It is the area of the 4 circle. What is the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to side square. Then here is 14 square 196 cm square. It is the area of the square. So what is the area of the remaining portion? 196 cm square is the area of the square, and the area of 4 circle is 77 cm square. So what is the area of the shaded region? Then 196 minus 77, then 16 minus 7, that is 9, and here is 8 minus 7, that is 1, and here is 1. That is 119 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. So dear student, first you find what is the area of this, what is the radius of this circle. If given the length of this square is 14, then it is 2r, because it is the diameter. Here 2r, then it is the diameter. Then 2r plus 2r, 4r is equal to 14. From this 4r you can find the radius r. After that you find the area of this circle and multiply by 4, then you get area of this 4 circle, and then find the area of the square, that is side square, that is 196. So what is the remaining part? What is the shaded region? So 196 minus 77, that is 119 cm square is the area of the shaded region. Now see question number 44. A wire is bent to form a square enclosing an area of 484 meter square. Using the same wire, a circle is formed. Find the area of circle. Dear student, With the help of a wire, a square is formed, whose area is 484 meter square. This wire is formed a square, and the area of this square is 484 meter square. After using the same wire, it is formed a circle. Your question is, what is the area of this circle? When it is given that area of a square is 484 meters square. We have seen when wire is formed in a square, and then after that it is bent in the form of a circle, then the perimeter of a square is always equal to the circumference of the circle. This perimeter of the square is always equal to the circumference of the circle. So first one, what is the perimeter of the square? It depends on the side of the square, but side is not given here. So your first one in solution, you write what is the side of the square. So side of the square, is equal to under root area. Side of the square is under root area. What is the side? That is 484 meter square. This is under root. It is equal to 22 meter. It is the side of the square. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. Then it is 4 into 22, that is 88 meter. It is the perimeter of a square. If perimeter is given, then it is equal to the circumference. Circumference of the circle is given 88 meter. 88 meter, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r, is equal to 88 meter. Then here is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, is equal to 88 meter. Then what is r? Then r is equal to 88 into 7 by 2 into 22. What is r? R is equal to 88 into 7 by 2 into 22. Here it cancel 22 4 ja, and it is cancelled 2. Then it is equal to 14 meter. Then the radius of this circle formed by this wire is 14 meter. Now your question, what is the area of the circle? Then area is equal to pi r square, then 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Then 7 to the 14, that means 44 into 14 centimeter square is the area of the circle. It is bent from the wire at the same wire of the area of the square, whose area will be 484 meter. Dear student, when a wire bent in the form of a square and it is formed in the after bending to the form in the circle, then the perimeter of the square is always equal to the perimeter of the circle. So first we find what is the perimeter of the square. After the radius, after the area, you can find what is the side of the square, then find perimeter, then perimeter find 88, and it is equal to the circumference of the circle. After circumference, you can find what is the radius of the circle, then radius is the 14, and after that find the area of the circle, that is 44 into 14 meter. Now see question number 49. In the given figure, O is the center of the bigger circle. O is the center of the bigger circle, and AC is the diameter. AC is the diameter of another circle with AB as a diameter. This circle is the AB, whose diameter is AB. If AC is equal to 54 cm, that means diameter of big circle is 54 cm, and BC is 10 cm. We'll find the area of the shaded region. Dear student, in this figure, shaded region is here. You have two circles. First whose diameter is AC, another whose diameter is AB. And you have found the area of the shaded region. That means first we find area of the big circle and then area of the small circle and subtract it, then you get area of the shaded region. Then how to find the area of the big circle? It is only possible when you find what is the radius of the big circle. So diameter is given, that is AC is equal to 54 cm, then radius is equal to 54 by 2, that is 27 cm. It is the diameter of the big circle and you write here pi into 27 square cm square. It is the area of the big circle. Similarly, what is AB? If AC is the given 54 and BC is the 10, then AB is equal to 54 minus 10, that is 44 cm. If AB is the diameter of this small circle, then it is clear the radius is equal to 22 cm. Because 44 is the diameter of this small circle, then the radius of this small circle is 22 cm. So what is the area of this small circle? It is equal to pi into 22 square. It is second. Then what is the area of shaded region? So area of shaded region is pi into 27 square minus pi into 22 square. So take pi as a common, then you write 27 square minus 22 square. So pi is equal to 22 by 7. You write 27 plus 22 and 27 minus 22. So what you get here? You get here 22 by 7 into 49 and also pi. So 7 7 49. Then you write here 22 into 35. That is your solution. You multiply. It is the answer of the shaded region. So dear students, how to find the radius of these two circles? First find AC the diameter of the big circle, then AC is the given 54, that means radius will be 27. After that it is given that this is the 10, then it is clear AB is the 54 minus 10, that is 44. So radius will be 22 cm. When you find two radius of two circles, first the big circle radius is the 27 and then the small circle radius is the 22. Then what is the area of the shaded region? So we subtract the area of the small circle from the area of the big circle. So pi into 27 square is equal to pi into 22 square. Then you get it is the area of the small circle, that is 22 by 7 into 49 into 5, that is 7 into 35 into 22. You get it is the area of the small circle. Thank you dear student. Now solve the remaining questions of this exercise. All questions are very simple and try to solve by yourself. If you have any problem, then ask to me by WhatsApp number. Thank you dear student.